to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ari, and I would love if you subscribed to my channel. Make sure to turn on the notifications if you would like to see my videos in the future as well, or keep up with my life. My videos do not show up, unfortunately, in the subscription feed. Thanks a lot, YouTube. So if you would like to see my videos, please turn on those notifications. I appreciate you so much for clicking on this video and supporting me on my YouTube channel and my makeup artistry-ness. Today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial with the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette, and my take on this look is kind of a little bit more of a bronzy, smoky rose eye. That would be great for a night out in the summer or the spring. I feel like they really tried to target more of like a natural everyday look that you can still achieve a dramatic, smoky, neutral eye if you wanted to. They have a lot of warm tones, but also a good amount of just plain basic neutrals that you need literally every time you do your makeup. I love this palette. I think it blends like butter, and I would totally recommend grabbing it. Even if you already have the colors, it's very convenient to have in a palette like this, and it's super convenient for travel. And I think the price is right. The eyeshadow quality is amazing, and I totally recommend it. If you guys would like to see a step-by-step on how to get this entire makeup look, then please keep on watching. But first, coffee. Good morning. Right now it is 10:45 a.m. and I'm heading to work at Sephora, and I am wearing one of those like strapless shirts, so if it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt, I am. I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids. This is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This works great because it's very tacky. I used to not like it, but my skin has definitely warmed up to it. I prefer my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, but this one works really well, and it's actually a little bit tackier. It's super early, so like, don't mind me if I seem half asleep. It's because I kind of am. I've been up since 7, actually no, since 5 this morning. I worked out, I did some yoga, and I also did a friend's makeup. So I've had a very busy and productive morning, and I'm about to go work at my next job. You can go ahead and go in with any translucent powder and just set that eyeshadow primer. This is just my Airspun. Love this powder. It smells so good. So with a Juno & Company brush, this is the ES06. I love these brushes. This company is actually super affordable, and the quality of their brushes are amazing. I'm going to go in with Tempera and use this to set underneath my brow and in the inner corner area. Now with the brush that the palette comes with from Anastasia, it's just a nice fluffy brush. I'm gonna go ahead and take Orange Soda and just use this as a base on my crease. This is going to be my transition color. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Sienna and apply this onto my crease and bring it down a little bit lower than the first transition shade that we used. So I'm doing windshield wiper motions, but as I buff out towards the edges, I do very small circular motions to give it a more airbrush look. That is my main method when I do eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take a MAC 224. This is a classic, super fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to go back and forth between the edges. I have no product on this brush, and I'm just blending everything out. With a smaller, denser brush, this is the Pro Tapered Crease number 19 from Sephora. I'm going to go ahead and take Mulberry. This is a nice dark, dark wine brown, and I'm going to focus this on the outer corner and bring it about halfway into the crease. I'm going to go back in with that Orange Soda and blend Mulberry and the transition color. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Cypress Lumber and put this strictly on the outer corner. Blend. Blend, blend, blend your little heart out. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do a half cut crease on my lid. That is what I'm going to attempt to do. Let's see how it turns out. But I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So the color I'm going to pick up is Sultry. I have decided on a nice bronzy pink. For the inner corner, I'm going to take a small detailed brush. This is a Morphe E36, and take some of Glistening and heavily apply that into my inner corner. For underneath the eyes, I'm going to go in with Orange Soda and a little bit of Burnt Orange and just brush this underneath the lower lash line. And with the smaller brush, I'm going to take some Rustic and Sienna and also brush this on the lower lash line. You can go ahead and add some mascara, you could add some lashes, but I'm going to be a little extra and add some glitter. So I'll show you guys how I do this. Sometimes when I want to be a little bit more oomph with my makeup, but not take too long on it, I'll go ahead and use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liners. It has a hair on it. I'm so cochina. I love how mess-free these are, and they make any look like you tried that much longer. I'm gonna apply some lashes and some mascara. First I'm gonna use the Bad Gal Bang lashes and just go ahead and coat my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and use some primer on my face. I'm gonna hydrate with the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer, and then I'm going to apply some of my Amazing Cosmetics Line Smoothing Primer on my smile lines and my forehead and my eyes, cause yeah. I'm going to use my under eye corrector. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know what this is. And if you haven't, the link is in the description bar. Now I'm gonna apply some foundation. I'm actually going to mix my NARS Sheer Glow Foundation and then some of my Jouer High Coverage Cream Foundation. This is such full coverage, but it is way too light right now. All my color just went away, so I'm definitely gonna bronze up, but before I bronze up, I'm gonna highlight. So because I look so pale with this coverage, I'm gonna go ahead and tan up my skin. This is the MAC 9.0 Match Master Concealer Brush. It's gonna warm up my skin and help sculpt me. Take a fluffy brush and go ahead and bronze up some more. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a smaller brush and also sculpt my face with that same bronzer. This is a bronzer from MAC, but honestly, any bronzer works. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some false eyelashes. I will be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of bring the bronzer onto the apples of my cheeks with that fluffy brush, just to kind of give me some bronziness. So the highlight I'm gonna use is the Artist Couture in Coco Blanc. So I'm super happy with how the highlighter looks. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lip color now, but I'm going to start off by adding some lip liner. This is my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Iconic Nude. So for my lip stain, I'm going to apply the CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade in Insider. It's a beautiful nude color. Alright, and I'm going to set my face one more time. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I love this. It blends like butter, and you can do natural looks, matte everyday looks, you can do bronzier looks, or you can do like a full blown up smoky eye if you want. I thought that this was a very fun twist on the Soft Glam palette, that although it's meant for like everyday use. You can also wear it for a night. If you would like to see my face more, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on those notifications if you want to not miss a video of mine. I love you very much. Thank you for supporting me and watching this video. Bye!